the MSI GF63 15.6. 144 Hz gaming laptop offers a range of features and specifications that make it a suitable choice for gamers. The 15.6 144 Hz display delivers a fast refresh rate for smooth and vibrant gameplay. The laptop has a 15.6 Full HD IPS level display with a resolution of 1920x 1080. The display has a fast refresh rate.
The display also features true color technology, which delivers accurate and vivid colors. The laptop has a thin bezel design which maximizes the screen-to-body ratio and provides an immersive viewing experience. Some models of the laptop have a 45% NTSC color gamut, which may not be as wide as other displays.
The MSI Stealth 17 Studio 17.3 laptop is equipped with the 13th Gen Intel Core TM i9-13900H processor. This processor features an improved hybrid core architecture with up to 6 performance cores and 8 efficient cores, providing better multitasking and performance for running demanding games.
The MSI Stealth 17 Studio 17.3 laptop has a variety of ports to connect to external devices. The available ports on the laptop are 2x USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, 1x Thunderbolt XAR-TM, 4-port, 1x USB 3.2 Gen, 2 DP Type-C port, 1x HDMI 2.1 port, 1x SD Express card reader, 1x RJ45 Ethernet ports. Additionally, the laptop comes with a killer E3100G Ethernet controller and killer Wi-Fi 6E AX1675i wireless card with Bluetooth 5.2 for network connectivity. The Thunderbolt dock TIM 4 port can be used to connect to a docking station for additional ports and functionality.